Hi there! So as the title clearly states, today I will be showing you guys a collection update slash room tour. So yeah, it's been a while since I last showcase a collection update. So yeah, just probably start off with the 1/64th scale models in my collection. So yeah, just starting off on the top left hand corner, we've got some Hot Wheels Land Rovers, and then a couple of Honda Civic Type R's. Well, the one on the left is a Ford, and then we've got some Lotuses, and then some Porsches. So these are mixed brands, I would say. We've got Hot Wheels, Matchbox, Majorette, Tomica. Yeah, so it's all mix and match. So we've got some Lamborghinis, Ford, then right at the bottom there, sort of dedicated to Jaguars. So moving on to the right hand side, so down there we've got some Volkswagens, and then Audi RS6, and then moving up a little bit, some Bugatti, Paganis, and Nissan Skylines. Over here we've got Ford Mustangs, and then Porsches, and some Volkswagen Polo RWRCs. Now if you're wondering why do I have two of the same models, well, the one on the left is actually a well, I would call it a premium majorette model, as this comes with rubber tires and clearer windows. And then up there we've got two Porsche Carreras. Oh, sorry, the 918 Spiders actually. And then on the right hand side we've got some Audi R8s. And then right at the top we've got four Mercedes G-Wagons. So the first one on the left, and then the one on the right is actually a Matchbox, which has the Jurassic Park or the Jurassic World livery. And then coming on to this side, so we've got some Seiko models, the Toyota Land Cruiser, and then the Mercedes SLS, and then this is a Hot Wheels. I don't remember what that is actually. So we've got some Nissan GT-Rs made by Majorette, and then Lamborghinis by Hot Wheels, Ford Mustangs again, some Porsche Panameras, and well, mostly Hot Wheels models for those coupes or hatchbacks. So down here we've got some Seiko models, an X6, and then the Porsche Cayennes, or Macans, sorry, yeah, those are Macans. And then up here we've got Mini Cooper Countryman, Volkswagen Beetles, Bugattis, mixture of BMWs and Porsches, and then these are Gumpert Apollos. Sorry, just Gumperts actually. And then the Porsche Cayennes and a Mercedes GLK, and then the one on the right is a Land Rover. So I'm just gonna come down a little bit. So right at the top we've got some Fast and Furious models. So the these three, starting on the left, I mean, these two are the Koenigsegg, and then this one is actually a Maserati Ghibli. So those three are made by Mattel. And then we've got a Hot Wheels Fast and Furious model. And some hatchbacks down there. Some not Thai taxi, those are Toyota Corollas with Dodge Vipers, and then a Subaru, a Toyota Hilux, Datsun, and then a Ford Mustang. So just coming up a bit, so right at the back there we've got a 143 scale Volkswagen with the Russian Olympic livery. And then right in front of it we've got some Batman cars and Batplane. And well, these are just some deco items that I also do collect. And right over here we've got some tarmac Audi R8 V10 Plus models. So just cutting the videos to this part. We've got some Tomica models there, and then finally a 1/18 scale model, starting with these Audi R8 V10 Plus. So this is the exclusive Maisto edition. Well, don't mind the dust, I haven't had time to wipe the models yet. And then a Burago Ferrari 458 Speciale, and then a LaFerrari made by Burago. And then turning on to this side, so I've got a DTOF with a couple of 1/64 and 1/18 scale models. So it's a bit messy at the top. Still finding the right display for these models. So right at the back we've got some Tomica Nissan GT-Rs, as well as some Honda Civic Type Rs made by Mini GT. And well, I just added these few models. So starting at the back there, we've got the Honda Civic Type R HKS model, and then a Honda Civic Type R Blitz. So those are made by Mini GT as well. And then right over here at the front, we've got some McLaren Sennas. And well, this one with the shell livery is actually a Corvette C6R made by Greenlight. And then just behind it is a Porsche 911 GT2 or GT3, I don't remember exactly. And then this one is an Autoart Bugatti Veyron L'Edition Centenaire. And well, yeah, I also do collect some motorbikes. So the two on top are made by Siku, and then well, the one on the right, that's a Honda bike made by Tomica, and then that's a BMW, I believe, BMW motorbike made by Hot Wheels. So we've got a Honda Civic down there, a Nissan GT-R Nismo edition made by Tomica under its Tomica Limited Vintage Neo label, and then some Porsches made by Hot Wheels, and a couple of McLarens made by Hot Wheels. And over here we've got the, well, sorry about the dirty cabinet. A bit embarrassed by that right now. Yeah, so as I was saying, these are some Porsche 911 GT2RS made by Mini GT. And same goes with this silver one. You know, if you watch my video, I said that it was very difficult to find this color, but you know, thankfully I found it at a petrol station near my house. And then I've also reviewed these two Porsche 911 GT2RS models made by I don't know who. And then just bringing it down. So this is the Bugatti Veyron, sorry, the Bugatti Chiron made by Welly under its GT Autos label. So this is how I actually display you know, my 1/18 scale models. So you know, it's just a simple display where I took some acrylic stands and just put the Chiron right there. So I mean the red one, this one is made by Burago. Same goes with the Bugatti Divo right up there. So it's, you know, not a fancy display, but you know, I make do with what I have. So I've got a smaller, well, 1/55 scale model made by Siku. And then just coming down, we've got 3 Ferrari 488 GTBs made by Burago. So just showing you guys the side profile. And then coming down, we've got the Ferrari California T. Well, both of these are the 70th anniversary editions. Both are made by Burago. And yeah, I also do collect 1/6 scale models, well, mainly made by Hot Toys. And I've also got some Kamen Riders or Mask Riders. Those are made by Medicom. Some Captain Americas as well. So yeah, this is how it is displayed in my room at the moment. Yeah, well, I'm starting to have space constraints, so I'm not really sure, you know, if I were to collect more diecast models, especially 1/18 scale models, where am I going to display them? Yeah, I'm just gonna see how it goes. And yeah, thanks for staying tuned, and that's all for now. Thanks for watching.